Hello everyone! Welcome to Lizzie's Chinese Class 101. I'm your teacher, Lizzie. In today's class, we are going to learn top 15 the most useful Chinese phrases. Are you ready? Let's get started! Usually I'm not this violent, but... Phrase number 1. 你好, which means hello in Chinese. Repeat after me. 你好,你好. Phrase number 2. 我叫, which means my name is. 我叫 Lizzie. 我叫 Steven. 我叫 Lily. Phrase number 3. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? 你 means you. 叫 means called. 什么 means what. 名字 means name. So, 你叫什么名字? What's your name? Repeat after me. 你叫什么名字? 我叫 Lizzie. 你叫什么名字? Phrase number 4. 很高兴认识你. Nice to meet you. 很 means very. 高兴 means happy. 认识 means know or recognize. Repeat after me. 很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。Phrase number 5. 谢谢, which means thank you or thanks. If you want to be more specific, you can say 谢谢你, thank you. Or you can just simply say 谢谢. Repeat after me. 谢谢。谢谢。Phrase number 6. Yes, this means 6 in Chinese. 不客气, which means you're welcome. Repeat after me. 不客气。不客气。Or you can say, no worries, 没关系。没关系。Phrase number 7. Yes, 7. 不好意思, which means excuse me. You can use this expression when you're about to ask people a question, or you feel like you interrupt other people, or you want to ask people to do you a favor. It's just like excuse me or sorry in Canada. 不好意思, can I borrow you a pen? 不好意思, can you tell me where's the washroom? Yeah. Repeat after me. 不好意思。不好意思。Number 8. 对不起. I'm sorry. 对不起, I ate your cake. Repeat after me. 对不起。对不起。Number 9. Yes, this is the gesture for a 9 in Chinese. 多少钱, which means how much. How much is this? You can use this expression when you ask for a prize. Okay. 多少钱? Repeat after me. 多少钱? Number 10. Actually, I'm not sure. Some people say 10 is this in Chinese. Some people say this is 10 in Chinese. But phrase number 10. 什么? 什么? Which means what? 什么? Phrase number 11. How do you say yes in Chinese? Well, you can just simply say yes or okay. Most Chinese people understand these two English words. But you can also say 好的, which means okay, no problem in Chinese. Repeat after me. 好的. Or you can also say 没问题. 没 means no. 问题 means problem. So no problem. 没问题. 没问题. Hey Lizzie, can you call me tomorrow? 好的，没问题. When people ask you a yes or no question, if your answer is yes, you can say 对. 对 means right. So 对. Lizzie, are you Chinese? 对，我是中国人。 Phrase number 12. How do you say no in Chinese? Well, you can just say no. Most Chinese people understand this. But you can also say 不. 不 means no in Chinese. For example, do you want this? You can say 不要 means don't want. 不要. Is this right? 不对. 不对, which means it's incorrect. It's not right. You can also say 没有. 没有 means don't have, or there isn't, there aren't. For example, did you eat? 没有. Do you have money? 没有. Something like that. Phrase number 13. Do you speak English? 你会说英文吗? 你会说英文吗? Although more and more Chinese people start to learn English at a very young age, but there are still many older people who cannot speak English well. So this question is very useful when you travel in China. 你会说英文吗? 英文 means English, or you can also say 英语. They both mean English. 你会说英语吗? 你会说英文吗? Can you speak English? Phrase number 14. 我听不懂中文. I don't understand Chinese. 中文 means Chinese. 听 means listen. 不懂 means don't understand. So, 我听不懂中文. It means I don't understand Chinese. Repeat after me. 我听不懂中文. 我听不懂中文. 你会说英文吗? 我听不懂中文. Number 15. 我不是中国人. I'm not Chinese. This sentence is very useful for many non-Chinese Asian people. Because, whenever you go to China as an Asian, people always expect you to be Chinese. Lots of my Japanese friends and Korean friends told me Chinese people always think they're Chinese. To clarify, I'm not Chinese. 我不是中国人. 中国人 means Chinese. 不是 means I'm not. Okay? I am not Chinese. Repeat after me. 我不是中国人. Since 不 means no, so how do you say I am Chinese? Just take no out of the sentence. 我是中国人. I am Chinese. How about you want to say I'm Japanese? You can say 我是日本人. 我是日本人. I'm American. 我是美国人. 我是美国人. I'm Canadian. 我是加拿大人. 我是加拿大人. If you don't know how to say your country's name in Chinese, you can just use Google Translate and practice how to say your country's name in Chinese. And then you just add 人 after that, then it automatically becomes the people of the country. So for example, 美国人, American. 美国 means USA. 人 means people. 日本人, 日本 means Japan. 人 means people. Okay? Okay, these are the top 15 most useful Chinese phrases. Actually, these are more than 15 phrases, but I just want you to learn as much as possible in this video. Okay, before we say goodbye, let's review one more time. Okay? Hello, 你好, 你好. My name is Lizzie. 我叫 Lizzie. 我叫 Lizzie. What's your name? 你叫什么名字? 你叫什么名字? 很高兴认识你. Nice to meet you. 谢谢, 谢谢, 谢谢你. Thanks or thank you. 不客气, 不客气, you're welcome. Or you can say, no worries, 没关系, 没关系. Number 7, 不好意思, excuse me. 不好意思, can I have more of your cookies? Number 8. 对不起 I'm sorry. 对不起 Number 9. 多少钱多少钱 How much? Number 10. 什么什么 What? Number 11. You can have different ways to say yes. You can say yes, yeah, or you can say 好的没问题对 Number 12. How to say no? You can just say no, or you can say 不对不要没有 Number 13. Can you speak English? 你会说英语吗你会说英语吗 Number 14. 我听不懂中文 I don't understand Chinese. 我听不懂中文 Number 15. I'm not Chinese. 我不是中国人我不是中国人我是 blah blah 人 I'm from blah 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 country. For example, you can say 我是美国人我是日本人我是加拿大人 Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and you would like to learn more in the future, please subscribe my channel, Lizzie's Chinese Class 101. In the future, I will try to upload more and more videos. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful month, wonderful year. Bye!